What's going on? अभी मुझे tense होना चाहिए, मैं tense तो हूँ. You know the way you're saying these dialogues. You know, it has that एक जो feverishness है कहीं ना कहीं आपने शायद महसूस करी होगी. That is reflecting somewhere. Is it Imtiaz Ali? What exactly? Because I believe your father totally just told you to just totally submit to Imtiaz Ali, and he'll take you on a different journey.
I sort of understood that by myself, and my father said that I have a feeling this is going to do something for you. This will change your life. And even Ranbir told me once that it's going to be a different experience for you. And I always understood that, but I didn't know the magnitude of it. But yes, it is all Imtiaz. Also the scene that I'm saying those lines in it has that certain feverishness.
Right. ये महसूस करने वाली चीजें हैं. I think you have to feel it.
When you see the film, you'll understand why and how. But that is my father's favorite scene.
Acha, it is.
Yeah.
Must be. Many have this perception that you actually have two fathers. There's Mahesh Bhatt and Karan Johar.
That's true.
He is actually like as protective about you as maybe more protective than Mahesh Bhatt Saab as well.
Yeah,
so how does that feel?
That's definitely. I totally take Karan in very high regard in my life. He also, in fact, I discuss my career and probably problems with him more than my father.
Right.
My father, obviously, he's always there for me. But Karan and me also have a really great relationship.
You have another dialogue that हो सकता है दिमाग खराब हो गया और मैं आराम से निकल सकती थी. How much of a personal growth you have experienced while the shooting of Highway?
There's a full transition that has happened. I mean, it's not a film for me. It's an experience. That's why I don't.
Right.
That's why to be honest, that's why I'm so nervous about it, because I feel like how is the world going to react to my life? Like that's my life story. So it's like you putting your life story out there for the world to see and judge and decide whether it's a good life story or not.
Right.
So
like Veera's life story.
Veera's life story is basically that's how close I am to the film, and that's how close I'm to the character.
And तेरी शक्ल देखकर कोई घंटा serious हो सकता है. Now that reflects that funny side as well. You are amongst, I think, serious dirty men. Dirty men in the sense facially I'm saying that ways. And you're having this dialogue. So how was that experience?
Again, that has a different edge to it, a different feel to it. That it's like a different personality. It comes and it goes, and it comes and it goes. So it was quite interesting to have all these different layers to a personality like that.
Right, and very different sort of dancing that you are doing from Radha altogether. Actually, that when you're doing that bit.
Yeah, but that was not choreographed. That was just in the moment, kind of going for it and letting yourself loose, being like a wild sort of animal. That was the brief that was given to me. So very different from Radha.
Till the time you become like a grandmother and everything, one thing will always be asked to you, that who's the president of India, Alia Bhatt?
Pranab Mukherjee. Okay, it was a mistake. I was very excited. Nobody understands this. I know it.
It's something that you can't escape now, that you have to just accept it. How much has the entire Saifai experience taught you?
Whatever had to be said has been said.
Right.
But so I wouldn't want to comment much on that. But it's not that in life you should not be aware. You should be aware. But I don't think anybody, trying to purposely be inhuman or trying to purposely, try to do things that hurt other people. It was just bad timing. It was all unintentional, and good things have also been done.
Absolutely.
And that's all that really understand. But I do consider it important to be more aware. So next time I will. Definitely.
Great reactions of Bhatt Saab and Salman on that.
Both of them are right in their place. Salman sir and my father. My father also, he being so politically aware. I am obviously miles under him in terms of being aware about what's happening. Even he didn't join the dots, and he said it out loud. He's always honest. He will say what he's thinking, and he said it on television what he felt. Even Salman sir, he is also right. So I just think that people should understand, it's not like we're trying to hurt anybody, because you very clearly neglect the positive, and you kind of
absolutely.
I as a human being, I am saying that I am sorry for not being aware.